Welcome to Joy Blooms. Today we're making the fastest daffodil using the pre-cut parts in our Daffodil 101 kit. Let's get started. For tools, you simply need some tacky glue and a pair of scissors. The kit comes with 4 leaves, 2 centers, 4 circles that'll fit in the center, and 4 sheets of petal paper. It also comes with a pattern and 2 green circles. The markers you might want to add for a little detail by trimming the edges of those yellow circles. Since we're making 2 flowers, you can switch the marker color. You can also hit the tip of the centers with the marker just for a little more detail. Now let's cut 2 of the petal papers using our pattern. I love using a craft clip. It just helps to hold everything in place. And now for the meditative cuts, just keep working toward the center and cut into the corner. And if it gets caught a little, you can either gently pull or hit it again with the scissors. Now let's add a little bit of glue to the bottom of the center and slide that little circle that you just finished all the way up as far as you can. And now you're going to hold the tip and scrunch the paper. Just scrunch, don't worry about what it looks like. We might as well do the other 2 so they can all take their time and dry. So now you have both flowers started. While those dry, cut out the other 2 patterns. And now all your petals will be cut out. Again, cut into the corners. Now I want you to pinch the tip of the corner and squeeze with your fingers, just to give your petals a little bit of texture. Do this for all 4. Now add a little glue to that center base. Poke a hole through the petal paper that you just prepped and slide it up the stem. And do the second for the second sheet. So each flower gets 2 of each part. Now the trick here is you're going to put those petals in between the previous petals. Now you're going to slide that little green piece right up the stem, and that really holds everything in place. And now you can watch your flower bloom start pulling down the scrunched up centers that you put there. Take your time, be gentle. Now take the little bag with the floral tape and cut it in half, and 2 of your leaves. And you're just going to put the leaves right up against the stem and use the floral tape to connect them. The floral tape has a waxy side, so once you stretch it a little, it'll start to stick to itself and go all the way down the stem. Now just position your leaves and 1 daffodil is done. Let's do the same thing for the second one. A little bit of glue, poke and slide. And let's do the same thing with the second one. A little bit of glue and poke and slide. And again, try to line them up so that you see all the petals. You can pull down the center and then add your green stopper at the bottom. Connect your 2 leaves and you are just about done. I like to tilt the face of the daffodil a little bit down toward me so we look face to face. And there you go, 2 cute daffodils. They go great in a small bud vase. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe and hit that notification button so you know when a new video is out. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Keep blooming.